Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at the construction of the Rio Mino Bridge, and this bridge is going to connect Highway 2000. The leg from Kingston to Maypen has been built, and the new leg from Kingston to the leg from Kingston to Maypen has been built, and where we started the video is where, let me just show you, that's where the highway ends currently at the Rio Mino, and straight ahead is where the existing highway ends right there. So you can see this road is directly in line with the highway. So the leg from Maypen to Mandeville is being built now, and this bridge, the Rio Mino Bridge, which is straight ahead, is going to connect both sections of the highway. Now, all the bridges in Jamaica are under the control of the National Works Agency. They have the responsibility for all the main roads and bridges. So the NWA said that this bridge, the Rio Mino Bridge, will be the widest bridge in Jamaica when finished. So let's see. Persons have commented on previous videos that the Harborview Bridge and the Causeway Bridge look wider, because the Causeway Bridge, I think, is 6 lanes. So I'm not sure, but the NWA would know. So we're just taking a quick tour of the bridge to see how far the construction has reached. So this leg of the highway now from Maypen to Mandeville is part of the Highway 2000 project. Highway 2000 is to run from Kingston to Montego Bay, but because of the cost, the road is being built in different sections. So the first section was Kingston to Maypen, and then this section now is going to run from Maypen to Mandeville, or more specifically from the Rio Mino Bridge, which we are at now, to Williamsfield in Manchester. And then the highway will run from Williamsfield to Montego Bay. Not sure if that section will be done all at once or it's be done in pieces, but this is how this road should be finished by the end of the year. And looking at the width of this bridge, I am not sure it's going to be the widest bridge in Jamaica. We're going to have to double check that one, because the Harborview Bridge is very wide, and the Causeway Bridge, the Causeway Bridge is a part of Highway 2000. The roadway from the Portmore Expressway is a part of Highway 2000, and it's the same. So I'm not sure, but we'll double check, and if anybody knows. But nonetheless, that's what the NWA had said, that it's the widest bridge in Jamaica. Alright, so that's the Rio Mino Bridge, the construction. The bridge itself, the structure is finished. It's just for the paving of the road and connecting it to the road straight ahead. So that the section of the highway from Kingston to Maypen was built by a French company, but this section from Maypen to Mandeville is being built by a Chinese company. So chances are we're going to have two different toll operators for the different sections of the road. And the section from Kingston to Maypen is called the PJ Patterson Highway. I haven't heard anything to say the section from Maypen to Mandeville will have a different name, but PJ Patterson was the Prime Minister at the time this project started, and he was very instrumental in getting this highway built. So that's why the highway is named after him. We're going to take a look at the bridge from this angle. And this bridge was built by China Harbor Engineering Company. Oh, I'm not sure. Okay, just to give you an idea, I'm going to show you this angle. Now you can see the new bridge, or Riamina Bridge, and then you can see the bridge to the right, and you can see the difference in size. The bridge to the right is the Maypen Bypass Bridge, and that bridge is 2 lanes. The newer bridge is the Riamina Bridge, and that bridge is 4 lanes. So, but this is the kind of progress you like to see in Jamaica. I mean, Highway 2000 was a very ambitious project. It showed that the government at the time had a vision for Jamaica. It was a very expensive vision. That's why it has to be done in pieces, but it was the right vision. And so, as the work continues, we really have to commend or say thank you to Mr. Patterson for ensuring that this project got done. And another thing we have to say is, although that administration started this project, the current administration has continued it, and because after the first leg was built, everybody saw the economic benefit and realized that it could be done. So every government since has continued with the building of the highway in various sections. So you should be able to... Okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is just an update on the construction of the bridge. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.